Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. Autel Evo, Whispers in the Dark. We'll have that coming right up. One of my favorite music groups is Skillet, and one of the songs that I really like by them is called Whispers in the Dark. What does this have to do with the Autel Evo? Give me a moment. I've heard an awful lot of rumors going around lately regarding the Autel Evo, and I'm going to boil them down into just three of them here. The first one that I heard from a credible source who heard from inside Autel is that they have 10,000 pre-orders for the Evo. That's right, 10,000 pre-orders for the Evo. I had sent Autel, number two, I've been able to communicate with them either by direct message on Twitter or on Facebook. I sent it this time on Facebook. They have a tendency to respond a little faster on Facebook than on Twitter. Don't know why. But I asked them directly about the 10,000 orders, and I also asked them about a release date. And I'm going to put that slide up on the screen right now. And their response was this. Hi, Bill. More information on Evo's release will be coming soon. Okay. And the third thing that I heard is that from unconfirmed sources that the Evo will be released next week, which is really technically the first week of June. So there you have it, the three that I've heard. Number one, 10,000 pre-orders. Number two, we heard from Autel themselves saying it will be released soon. And number three, that it's going to be released next week. So now I go back to why I said whispers in the dark, because you know what, folks? That's all they are. They're whispers in the dark. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything that's DJI or Autel related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post regular updates there, and also Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and happy flying.